now that I have your attention, I would just like to thank Porifia for that song and for signing my backpack back in October. This one is Clay, and then this is Clay, and then that's his nose. If you follow the band, you get the joke. Anyway, I'm cracked out on caffeine again because I just came back from training. Oh man, I can't even think. New direction of the channel, baby. So as of late, I've been doing a video every day, every 2 days, and phenomenal. I love it. The only thing is it's like 85% good for my health because, you know, the other 15% of the time, I'm just like, oh my God, when I'm gonna make the video. So I need to take a little bit more time so I can put more love to the video because I love editing the video. I love making the video, but I don't love when I don't like the video. It makes me sad. Because here's the thing. Oh, there's lightning. 3, 2, 1. Oh. There it is. Anyway, I love making videos and I love to give you guys the best absolute content ever, but I can only do that when I have time to, you know, make the video well without feeling stressed. In this new direction, I am going to take as much time as I need. Frankly, I don't need that much time. I just want to not feel rushed doing the editing and making the video, even though literally no one is holding me accountable to make these videos. It's not like I have a gun to my head, I just feel obligated. So I'm relieving myself of that obligation. Anyway, I hope I didn't scare anyone. I'm gonna keep releasing videos as much as I can because I freaking love this. But I am so freaking excited about the new content. Whew! I've been doing state of being meditation, studying state of beings, and state of being can be split into two things: the mind and the body. And pretty much I've been learning a lot of things, such as when one is more dominant than the other, you are more bound to go towards that state of being, whatever the mind or body is feeling, and then the other half that's not there will eventually unify with that, and then that state of being will become complete. Doing explicit, oh god, triple X rated meditations. No, I'm playing. It is raining so hard. But no, doing meditations that you are consciously changing your state of being to a different one without the use of substances or without the use of being in the situation to be there, or et cetera, you know, doing some crazy things. I want to go over how it affects your health, how it affects your energy, how you can heal yourself through this, and how you can awake psychic abilities through this, and you know, you do crazy stuff. But it's gonna take a little bit because I have all the videos planned out. I know exactly what I'm gonna talk about. I need to record them, but I just wanna make sure that it's good, you know? It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be so freaking cool! And it's the new thing that I'm all hyped about because it's just one simple concept, and we're pretty much just gonna teach you, I'm just gonna teach you how to do it consciously. And then through doing that, you'll become more aware of your current state of being. And when you're shifting states of being, I'm gonna teach you how to learn which part of your body or mind is more dominant than the other, so you know which state of being you're bound to go to. I'm gonna teach you the little ins and outs of how they work out, so you can do things throughout your day to make sure that you're in the state of being you want to be in. And of course, I'm gonna try and awaken your psychic abilities, because that's freaking sick. I've just been so happy. I've been so gosh darn happy. And dude, I am way too sensitive to literally any substance. Caffeine, it's bad, man, it's bad. Yeah, that's gonna be the video. That's the new direction. I'm hyped, friends. We're gonna do so much together. Ooh, you and me, we're gonna do the most. We're doing the most, everybody. Yo, who drank Zeus's milk? But yeah, that'll do it for here. I love you guys so much, and I'm very cracked out on caffeine. Okay, I'm gonna edit this before potential power goes out, or you know.